Did you know that a simple kitchen spice can completely transform your garden? Yes. Today, I'll show you why sprinkling cinnamon powder on your soil is a game-changing garden hack that every gardener must know. Are you tired of dealing with fungal infections, root rot, or annoying pests attacking your plants? Most of us reach for chemical solutions, but there's a safer, natural alternative sitting in your kitchen: cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is a powerful natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. And the best part? It's 100% organic, safe for edible plants, and costs almost nothing compared to chemical treatments. Here's how simple it is. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons of plain cinnamon powder and gently sprinkle it around the base of your plants or directly on top of the soil. If you're starting seedlings, dust a thin layer of cinnamon over the seed trays. It will prevent mold and fungal infections that usually kill tender seedlings in early stages. So next time you see cinnamon in your spice rack, remember it's not just for your kitchen. It's pure magic for your garden. Try this hack and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gardening hacks with simple household items.